This is Srikant. Today I will explain about date add DAX function in Power BI desktop. See this here, this is date add DAX function syntax. Okay, and see this here, date add is a function name, and next number of intervals, and number of intervals and it means you can add any numbers minus or plus 1 minus 1. Okay, and interval it means you can add particular in this place days, quarters and years and months. Okay, quarters, every year have 4 quarters: quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. Okay, and let's check this DAX function in Power BI desktop. Okay, see this here, date add DAX function is very important function. This function helps you in your real time. Okay, see this here, first I am creating one measure. I want to add December 25 day sales. I need to show only November 12 to December 24 2008 sales only. It's possible to date add DAX function. Okay, let's to write one measure. See this here, next go to report, type here measure. Now I am writing calculate, and next to sum of sales. Okay, sales, and close this parenthesis comma. Now date add. Okay, see this here, date add moves the given set of dates by a specified interval. Okay, now I am adding date column comma. First one is number of intervals. So now I don't want to add today's sales. So now I am adding minus 1 comma days. So today's day. So I don't want to add today's sales. So now I am adding day. Next, close this parenthesis. See this here. Let's check this DAX function. Let's click code and see this here. This is 3,700 sales. Okay, let's check this total sales. See this here, this is total sales is 3,800. Okay, let's check this database. See this here, today is 100, so 3,700. So now it's showing 3,700. Okay, if you wanted to show only previous year's sales only, so then you can add here. And if you don't want to show this quarter, so if you don't want to add this quarter, so to apply this quarter, and if you don't want to add this month, so you can add this month. Okay, this is dated add DAX function.